Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Most people who try to earn money online give up because everything feels confusing, too many fake websites, too many requirements and too many promises that never work. So today I'm breaking down 7 real beginner friendly online jobs that people in the USA, UK, Canada and Australia are actually doing right now without experience, without a degree and without advanced skills. And listen, if you comment step by step, my next video will show you exactly how to apply, create your profile and get your first client. Let's finally make online earnings simple. Job number 1, remote chat support. This is one of the easiest ways to start online because you don't need to talk, you only reply to messages. Your tasks are simple. Answer basic questions, help customers with small problems, forward issues to the right department. You can earn $15 to $22 per hour as a beginner. Companies like Mod Squared, LiveWorld and Site Staff hire people with zero experience. Why do beginners love this? Because companies train you, the work is stable and you only need simple English and patience. If you want a peaceful no-call job, this is the perfect first step. Job number 2 is microtask and data categorizing. These are small 1 to 3 minute tasks that add up throughout the day. Examples include tagging images, fixing small grammar mistakes, identifying objects in photos, sorting simple data. You earn around $8 to $15 per hour depending on your speed. Platforms like Clickworker, Remotask and Appin let you start immediately. No interview, no resume, no previous work needed. If you want something flexible that fits into any schedule, this is the easiest entry point. Job number 3 is entry-level virtual assistant. A virtual assistant helps small businesses with basic admin tasks. Your tasks may include managing emails, scheduling posts, light research, updating Google Sheets, tracking simple information. Beginners earn $12 to $25 per hour and you can increase your rate over time. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr and Freelancer have thousands of small businesses looking for reliable beginners. The best part, you don't need any professional experience. If you are organized in your everyday life, you already have the skills to do this job. Job number 4 is English conversation tutoring. You talk to learners who want to practice English. That's it. No advanced grammar teaching, no lesson planning. Your job is to have normal conversation and coach them, help with pronunciation, correct simple mistakes. You can earn $10 to $18 per hour on platforms like Cambly and Preply. If you have clear English, even with an accent, you are absolutely qualified. This is one of the easiest and most confidence-building online jobs. Job number 5, website and app tester. Here you test website and apps and give feedback on what feels confusing or what can be improved. Your tasks include browsing the site, sharing your natural reaction, reporting anything unclear. You earn $10 to $30 per test and each test takes about 10 to 20 minutes. Platforms like user testing, testing time and user feel are verified and trusted. You don't need tech knowledge. Companies only want your honest opinion. You literally get paid for noticing problems. Job number 6, social media assistant. Every small business needs help posting content regularly. You will create simple posts, write captions, reply to comments, use Canva for basic designs, manage Instagram, Facebook or TikTok pages. You can earn $15 to $30 per hour. You can find clients on Upwork, Indeed, Remote and even Facebook groups for small businesses. If you already spend time on social media, this is simply converting your habit into income. Job number 7 is content rewriting, one of the most underrated beginner's job. You are not writing from scratch. Your task may include rewriting product description, rewriting blog intros, rewriting captions, making text easier to understand. Beginners make $10 to $25 per hour on Fiverr and people per hour. You don't need to be a writer. If you can take a sentence and make it sound better, you are ready for this job. Stay with me for this last part because the bonus method I'm about to share is something beginners use to make their very first $100 online and nobody talks about it. Most people think they need one big skill to earn money online like web design or video editing, but beginners can't compete in those areas on day one. Instead, you only need 2 teeny skills combined. For example, basic English plus Canva, social media captions, Canva plus copywriting, Amazon product graphics, research, simple writing, blog outlines. photo editing plus captions, Instagram post bundles. These micro skills take 2 or 3 days to learn, and you can charge $15 to $14 per project. You don't need experience, you only need consistency. 2 small skills beat 1 big skill every time. If you want a step-by-step tutorial for any of the 7 jobs, how to create your account, how to set up your profile, how to write your first message, and how to get your very first client, just comment step by step down below. Your comment helps me know which job you want first, so I can make the next video truly valuable for you. Most people keep searching for the perfect opportunity but never take action. But if you try even one of these today, you are already ahead of 90% of people. Start small, stay consistent, and your online journey will grow faster than you expect. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.